don't make the funnel about you or your practice type. Make it about the problem that your clients have. Every type of practice law falls into a different type of funnel. And again, I'm taking hundreds of different funnels and figure out, okay, for all the different types of practice types, which one will work, okay? Usually it comes down to, in the program, I share 3, but I think 98% of you will be 2. It will either be what's called a high ticket funnel, or it will be a call now funnel. The high ticket funnel is usually for people that really need to educate their clients before they get them to go book a call. It's like people who are not informed that they have this problem. That's usually, let's just say, for estate planning lawyers. They're not necessarily looking for a estate planning lawyer at that point. They have to be educated, and you have to teach them why they need estate planning. Or sometimes immigration, depending on what type of immigration. Sometimes the immigration will talk about how that could be applied for the second funnel. But sometimes immigration, maybe it's an obscure or like a high-end kind of visa that you're providing them. You may need to educate them first or build a relationship with them before you get them to go pay for $15,000 for a visa. Sometimes for business law, maybe they're not necessarily looking to set up a business right away, but maybe you could open up their eyes to this opportunity of, hey, you could start your own business right now. Or, other types of law, that you kind of have to, that they're not aware that they have that problem, but you have to kind of educate them on that. Yeah, usually it's like estate planners. Let me share with you the second type. The second type is the call now funnel, which I would say is even more popular. Most of you are going to be on the call now funnel. Call now it's whatever the name says. You want people to call you now. That's usually for people who have a problem that they need to get solved right away. They have that problem, they go search for you and they go hire you. So they're already aware, like problem aware. They're already aware of the problem that they have. They're just looking to get it solved. So that's usually for personal injury lawyers, criminal defense lawyers, DUI lawyers, family and divorce lawyers, slip and fall employment lawyers, even some immigration. I think it could, I've noticed like there's usually a trend right now going towards more of like call now funnels, going straight into like people that have a problem, like looking to get that solved. So again, ask yourself, what practice type am I in? And which funnel would I be? The high ticket, educate. People aren't aware of my problem, they need to educate them. Or they already know that they need me, they just need to find me and hire me. So when in doubt, go with call now. Estate planners, a little bit high ticket offers, like things that cost a little bit more, or services, transactional services. Sometimes the high ticket will work better. Sometimes it could be either or. You may have to just like create one, go for it, see how that converts, and then based on that, make revisions. It happens to me all the time. Or sometimes you may have to combine it. I had to do that I had a high ticket funnel, but I realized that maybe if I just send them to a funnel that just gets them booked right away, that could sometimes work better. Again, these things change. So as long as you understand the whole picture, get their contact information, nurture them, follow up with them, and you see how my pages are laid out, then you're able to do that. Business formation. So let's talk about this. Also, the type of funnel that you have also depends on where your clients are coming from, okay, where your leads are coming from. Usually if they're searching for you and they know they have that problem, they're going to go on Google and search for you. And usually for that, you want to do Google ads. And usually with Google ads traffic, the call now funnel is going to work better because they already know that they have this problem or this thing. They go Google you and they want to just basically be able to give you a call. So for that, it depends on your traffic. For business formation, I've been transitioning into more of a call now. Just send them to a funnel to give me a call, basically, or to go book a call. So I would say for you, I would lean towards more of a call now, basically. And then the third type is the low ticket funnel, which is if you ever have to offer services that are usually less than $500 or $1,000 or so, then you don't necessarily want them to book a call. You just want them to go to a sales page and purchase. But just know that those types of funnels are usually much harder to convert because you will always have an easier time signing up clients if you do it over the phone. So yes, I have a couple of my own low ticket funnels, but those ones are, again, more work. You really have to have a really tight funnel, continue refining it and do a really good job to get those to convert. So the easier funnels are usually the call now funnel or the high ticket funnels. So try to use one of those two. And important is, you'll see in the course, you guys are about to get the course, is you want to create one funnel, focus on one funnel. Even if you have multiple practice types or multiple services, take your top service, take your top problem the one that you have the most of, and make a funnel for that. And again, you learn this in the course, but don't make the funnel about you or your practice type. Make it about the problem that your clients have. So you're not a family lawyer. You help divorced moms, solve that problem. So have that in mind. Again, this will be kind of repeated over and over in the course. Just have that in mind. Your funnels are about your clients' problems, not necessarily about you or your practice type. Oh, you're already, Jamie asked for the create help, for creating the funnel help. Are they helping with copywriting? Yes, definitely the technical setup for sure. Moving things around, changing things like that. Yes. Copywriting, yes, to some extent, but nobody knows your clients better than you. So I would always be the one to write the copy. The important part is, again, the funnel is about your clients, not about you. That's the most important thing. Less is more. Don't try to say a lot. So keep it very skimmy and just bullet pointy in elements. And then just always like the benefits. What's the reason why they need this? Like the benefits. If you just have those things in mind, that's usually like what you need to know. Use your client's language, all that stuff. But try to do it yourself. But yeah, the funnel person also has created lawyer funnels in the past. In the intake, I basically asked like, who are your top 3 competitors? And he goes and looks at your competitors and things like that. And you could also use that too for copywriting. But ideally, do it yourself. Just make it easy language. Do you recommend to add Google reviews? Yes, absolutely. You'll see on the funnels, there'll be a lot of reviews, a lot of places to put reviews and testimonials and proof and things like that. We talked about the importance of proof. So yes, fill up your funnels with as much proof as possible. There's different types. Usually it's video testimonials.
And in this short testimonial video, I wanted to share with you what legal funnels.
Screenshots of your reviews. There's also a tool, Reviews on My Website, which takes all your Google reviews and allows you to embed it inside your funnels. Any type of shape, form of testimonials and reviews, fill it up. If you're a litigation lawyer, best type of testimonial is like a picture of your client holding settlement checks, or if you're, let's just say, if you're an immigration lawyer, a picture of your client holding, something, or being in front of a house that they were able to secure their dream home and things like that. The end result, showing the end result, what your clients get ultimately, those are really builds authority, trust, and all that stuff. Alex says, I'm creating a WordPress website that will have the same domain as I do right now. Should that new website be built before the funnel is established as a subdomain? Just work on it at the same time. Build your funnel. At the same time, just create a very simple one-page homepage. For law firm websites, you don't need multiple pages of practice stuff and all that stuff. Just keep it one page, because ultimately your website can also be used as a funnel. Your website could lead people to your funnel. So just keep it very simple, not that many places for people to get distracted, and just use the website to drive people to your funnel, which is basically what I do.
Lawyer Nation, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, take a moment right now to subscribe right below and turn on the bell notification to get notified every time I post a video, because right now I'm posting 5 videos a week, providing lots of value to lawyers. So click right here to subscribe, and to watch the next most relevant video, click right here. Go do it. Go watch it.